Hey there, drift car enthusiasts. Today we're taking a closer look at the Redcat Racing EPX drift car. This 1/10 scale beauty comes with a metallic blue BL10315 body, scale drift tires, and 5-star rims that are sure to turn heads at the track. But it's not just about looks. This drift car is built for performance. With its independent suspension, lightweight plastic chassis with an aluminum top plate, and oil-filled shocks, this car is designed to handle the tightest corners and the driftiest turns with ease. Not dimension, the tunable suspension, adjustable ride height, toe angle, and camber angle, as well as tunable shocks and selectable shock positions, allow you to customize your driving experience to suit your style. Under the hood, you'll find a 19 TRC 550 brushed electric motor, a 40A waterproof-esque, and a powerful steering servo, all managed by a 2.4 GHz radio system for precise control. And the best part? This drift car comes fully assembled and ready to run, complete with a 7.2 V2000 mAh IMH rechargeable battery and NIM battery charger. All you need are a few AA batteries for the transmitter, and you'll be tearing up the track in no time. So, if you're ready to take your drifting game to the next level, click the link in the description to get your hands on the Redcat Racing EPX drift car. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome RC car reviews and tips. Happy drifting!